Okay, so you're willing to send money from your GCash into an actual bank account. The process actually is not going to be that hard. There are a few requirements and free breakdowns that you needed to get started. For example, we needed to make fully verified GCash account, which I'm going to be leaving you the link down below in the description so you can follow along and verify your actual account before we can actually continue. The second thing to take in mind is that we needed an actual network, an InstaPay. The actual network of the InstaPay is key to send money directly into your bank account. And lastly, there's the actual fee. That means 15 per transaction. The 15 PHP is a commission fee that the actual GCash takes every time you want to make an actual transaction, so you want to be taking that in mind. So in here, we have an actual full step tutorial how we can actually get started. The first option, which is to open the GCash and go for the element that says transfer and the element that says local. You can find this directly when it says send money. When you go for local, sometimes you can look out for the bank logo or tap view all. So in here we can choose the actual bank that we're actually looking for. When you finish with this element, we'll be asking you to enter the amount, the account name, and the account number. So you might want to be taking your time to select all of the actual information you will be sending directly to the person and the amount you're going to be sending. When you hit for done, it will be asking you to send the actual money, and it will be asking you to review all the details and tap into confirm. And there you go. If you want to see more information about this, you can always go into the actual element that says transfers or the history of the transfers, and you can be seeing the actual information of all the, in this case, the money that you should be sent it out. There's a second version, which is using a QR code, which is once again GCash transfer local that you can be finding directly inside here, transfer local, and scan the QR code, enter the amount to send, and tap send money. This is only for a bank or a scanning that they already have, because some banks already have QR codes that you can be using for making transfer, but that's totally optional and depending on the country you are currently living. And that's it. That's how we can actually secure the actual transfer with some app alert. So to protect your funds, the GCash will be prompting an authorization check. So instead of waiting for an old school text messages, just look out for a security in-app push notification sliding down to your screen. You tap into authorize and you're good to go. You're done. So if this quick tutorial makes you transfer stress-free, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us into the comments below which bank you use most with GCash, so we can all focus and know a little bit more about transfers. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.